Hi friends, today I am going to explain how to store data in IndexedDB using Angular with TypeScript. You can follow the below steps. Using IndexedDB.open, we are creating the database. By using DB object create object store method, you are going to create table in IndexedDB. You can check the code in my blog. Now we are going to show in browser. This is my student form. Once click on add, it will create the table and database in IndexedDB. This is my code. In student add component, we are mentioning the variable name as DB name. This is the database name. Store name means students table. This is the student form. There is a name, ID, address and gender fields are there. We are initializing the database in constructor. In initializing DB function, we are creating the database by using IndexedDB.open. This .db name means this is the DB name DB. Here we are creating the database. After creating the database, it will check the store name is already available or not. Store name means table name. If not available, it will, by using DB object we are creating the table with primary key value. After on success service call, the console log will be database initialized successfully. If any error will get, that is also we can log it. In add function, we are validating the student form. Once if student form is validated, we are fetching the student form value into data variable. By using DB object, we are getting the transaction object. After getting the transaction object, we are getting the store object by using a table name. After getting the store object, we are inserting the data into the students table. This is the code. I will show the functionality in browser how it will be work. Once refresh, the database and student table will be created in IndexedDB. See, this is the my database and this is the student table. Once select name and student ID and gender address, after adding, the data will be inserted into the student table. The data is added successfully. Need to refresh the database. Once refresh the database, it will coming the data into the students table. If you are changing the student ID and name, the data will be inserted as a second row. Once need to refresh. This is the data. If you are the primary key we are mentioned in the table is student ID. We cannot insert same ID in a duplicate. We can't take it. If you are changing Shravan and same ID I am giving, if you are clicking the add and if you are refresh also, the data should not come here because the ID mentioned is like a primary key in SQL table. If you are giving different student ID, it will coming here. See, the data will come looks like that. This is the functionality we are storing the tables in IndexedDB. Thanks for watching my video. You can check my code in my blog also. Thank you for watching.